I'm Shannon from Wrexham Volkswagen and I'm going to be showing you around one of our approved used vehicles.
So this is the Sharan SEL. This 7-seater vehicle is a 2-litre TDI DSG 150ps, finished in an Indium Grey metallic paint. This vehicle has had 2 previous owners from new and has covered 39,414 miles. Some great features include your rear tinted glass as well as your fitted roof rails. We also have your keyless entry system, which is a great additional option, perfect when you've got your hands full. Around this vehicle you have the 17-inch alloys finished in silver. We have a fantastic panoramic sunroof, which is the perfect addition for the warmer weather. Your boot offers a generous space when the 2 back seats are up. We still have enough room to store your weekly shopping, but the seats can be folded down to extend the space even further to fit in larger items. We also have an electric tailgate, which is an additional feature, again perfect when you're in a rush or with your hands full. Other great additional extras include your electric sliding rear doors as well as your Vienna leather upholstery. Got your ISOFIX points fitted into the outer rear seats. Then we also have your pull-out plastic trays in the back to keep the kids occupied during them longer trips. Taking you inside the front, we have your multifunctional steering wheel followed by your front heated seats, ensuring yourself and your front passenger are cosy and comfortable during the winter. We also have your centre armrest for additional comfort. Your multifunctional steering wheel will allow you to control your vehicle as well as access the adaptive cruise control, which is a perfect addition for motorway driving. Your instrument cluster has multiple displays highlighting your key driver information and settings such as your navigation, your phone, your assistance, as well as your driving data and vehicle status. We have your multimedia interface in the centre where we can access different functionalities. So we first have your DAB digital radio. You do also have an aux input available as well as your Bluetooth, so you can either listen to your own music or you make hands-free calls nice and safely. We have your satellite navigation to support you in planning your trips. This car also features your parking sensors, so you have these on the both front and rear to give that additional support when parking up to help keep your car nice and safe. Just below you can find your climate controls, allowing yourself and your front passenger to be in charge of your own temperature settings. And then we also have your front heated seating either side. And then moving down we can find your shortcut buttons. We also have your keyless start as well as your automatic transmission. We have an electronic park brake, some hidden cup holders. Then we also have some additional storage space underneath the armrest where you can find a USB port as well as a 12-volt socket.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 2 years warranty as well as 2 years roadside assistance. For more information, please give us a call on 01978 340 600 or inquire online now.